Hello. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Fine. Let's move ahead. Have you done with that sample using annotations?
Yes.
Good, good. So we have seen mapping inheritance to database tables. So we will now go for mapping collections to Hibernate. So that is in Java, because the whole point is to convert this model class into database tables, table objects.
Yes.
So the model class may be having now collections. So we have seen model class having uh, a value object, address, right?
Yes. Right.
So there are cases the model class may be having a collection as an association.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we will be addressing those things. So we can map collection elements of persistent class to Hibernate. Then we need to declare the type of the collection in persistent class. So what type of collection it is. And the following types that are valid in converting mapping to database table objects are list,
List.
set, sorted set, map, sorted map, collection.
Okay.
So these are the things. Or we have to write the implementation of the user collection type. Okay.
Okay.
We will see all these. So my persistent class should be defined in the same way. Here you can see what we are talking is there is question and answers. So one question may be having multiple answers. Got it?
Got it.
Daddy.
So it's like one-to-many relationships kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
One question
Right.
having multiple answers, right? So I'll address that one-to-many soon. So it's similar kind of thing. So you can see here there is a question and question ID and question name. And you can see answers, there is list of answers. Look here, list of answers.
Yeah.
And here those answers are string objects. Got
Yeah.
it?
Got it.
Got it.
Now the getters and setters we will generate for them. Then mapping collection in the mapping file. So here there are many sub-elements of the class elements to map the collection. They are list, bag, set, map. You will see all these four. Okay.
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 So how do we map? You can see an example here. So the class class open, class close. In the class
Okay.
implement the model class question.
Yeah.
And if you want, you can mention a table name also over there. Or else by
Yeah.
default it will give the model class name itself as a table.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then ID and the generator for that ID. Then property name, that is question name. Now you can see
Yes.
so list open, list close. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So name is nothing but the answers. I mean to say the model class property. Got it?
Got it.
And this complete collection will be
In the table.
coming out into a table. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here for a list there is a key column. So that is
Yeah.
for every question ID. Assume one question may be having two answers. So
Yeah.
there will be for that question. So there will be question ID, right? One may be question ID. For that one question ID one, there may be two answers. Okay, two rows in the table. So we
Okay.
get two tables, right? So one is for
Mhm.
question, the other one is for question answers. Okay,
Yes.
and here index column. So here you can index element is used to identify the type. So what type, list or map or indexed collection. Okay. So we
Okay.
use this index
Okay.
with the list and map only because they are indexed collections. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
And this key column is used to define the foreign key in this table based on the question
Yeah.
identifier. Right?
Yeah.
That is our
Yeah.
primary
Right.
key foreign key relationships.
Mm.
And element. So element here is used to, so here you can see is used to define the element of the collection. I mean what my collection contains. Got it? My
Right.
collection as of
Okay.
now it contains strings. You can see strings.
Mm.
Okay. So
Okay.
soon we'll be addressing a list can be containing objects also, right?
Yeah.
Java.lang.objects.
Right.
So particularly one particular object also we can mention. Over there we will be using one-to-many address, one-to-many relationship. So for now it is just element. Element it is just simple, not object, right?
Right.
Right.
Or as of now it is element, and soon it may be an entity referring to another entity, right? My question
Right.
entity referring to another entity. Okay,
Okay.
we
Okay.
will address both the things one by one. So this is a mapping of collection, and if collection stores string objects, but if collection stores entity references, that is another class objects, we need to go for one to many or many to many element. Okay.
Okay.
So when the collection contains objects, what objects? So the objects maybe I will be defining an answer class itself. As of now, answer is a string here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if I define it as a class, then there may be answer ID, then answer name, and who is posting that answer in a forum. So we are
Okay.
considering that scenario. Once we are done with that answer as a string as of now. Okay.
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 So we will do one by one these things. So if it is, if in the case the answer is an object, then there will be question class, and you can see list. Now it contains answer object, generics, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And our answer class would be like this: answer ID and string answer name. Then who is posting that answer in a
Okay.
forum?
Mm. Okay.
Then if it is the case with objects, that is answer as an object, then you can see class mapping here, class name, ID, generator, proper name, question name, and list answer here. You can see list. So list name is
Mm.
answers, and there will be key column of course, and index column because they are index based collections.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then one to many mapping we will give. Got it? If it is a
Got it.
string, we will give element
Yeah.
column and the data type.
Yes.
If it is an
Mm-hmm.
object, then we will give the relationship one to many to one. What is that? Whatever the kind of relationship that is applicable to our scenarios. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Right. So list is mapped by one-to-many relationship here. So understanding the key element. The key element is used to define the foreign key in the join table based on the original identity. Okay. And the foreign key element is nullable by default. Okay.
Okay.
So for non-nullable foreign key, we need to specify not null attribute. So there are more attributes per column. So key column, you can see not null equals to true, you can mention. Okay.
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 And I'm talking about the foreign key. Okay.
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 By default, it allows null values. If you do want to restrict it, you can mention a property not null equals to true, right?
Right.
Right.
And the attributes of the key element are, so you can see here, column name, of course, we are familiar with this. Then on delete. So on delete cascade. So I think you are aware of this on delete cascade with the primary key, foreign key relationships. If you know, can you say something about this on delete cascade?
Yeah, I am not familiar.
Okay,
No.
the thing is, okay, let me. So the thing is, I'll go back to my, right. I somewhere explained you about primary key, foreign keys at the beginning of Hibernate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I have something. Yes, look here. There is my employee table, okay, and employee number, name, salary, commission, and department number. These are the columns present in my employee table, okay.
Yeah.
In my
Okay.
employee table, employee number is a primary key, obviously, okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
and department number is considered as a foreign key, which is referring to department tables, department number. Okay, in department table, department number and department name. Okay,
Yes.
Okay.
there are two columns. Now, if you observe, in my employee table, there are employees who belongs to departments 10, 20, 30, 20. Okay, it means 10, 20, 30. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
so the properties which we discussed are this department number in department number in department table. So this is treated as foreign key in our employee table one, and
Yes.
this foreign key by default it allows nulls, which we have seen, right? Property.
Right.
Right.
And if you want, you can restrict it by mentioning not null equals to, okay, true,
True.
right?
Yeah.
Now,
Right.
so the thing is, I'll perform an update and delete operations here. Observe here, I am trying to perform an update operation on employee table, on an employee table. So update employee, set department number equals to 80, where employee number equals to 100. So for an employee number 100, whose department is 10, I am modifying it to 80.
Okay.
So observe there, in my department table, the department numbers valid are 10, 20, 30, 40.
Mm.
Will I be able to update employee number 100's department to 80 with this update
No.
statement? Reason?
No.
Reason?
Because the primary key in the department are the same as the foreign key in the employee.
Yes, it should be same. If it is not, I mean to say, it's not like it's same. It should be present in the department number column, present in the department table, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Exactly.
So 80 is not available. So this statement will be failing. That's what I highlighted here. Okay.
Yeah.
That is
Okay.
parent data not found. So in my tables, employee and department, department table is considered as parent and employee table is considered as child. Please do remember this relationship also.
Okay.
Okay.
Why do we say department as parent? Reason is, you can see while creating my employee table. So I am creating my employee table. You can see my employee table has employee number, name, salary, commission, and there is a department
Mm.
number column. So if I try to
Yes.
create this employee table, and department number column is referring to my department table's department number column, right?
Right.
Right.
We will be mentioning that also in our create table command, right? Because there is primary key foreign key relationship, right?
Yeah.
Right.
When we write this department number referring to department column, my statement will fail. Reason?
Yeah.
Yes.
Department table should exist, right?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to create department table first. Only then we are able to create my employee table with department number column referring to department table. Got it?
Got it.
So this department table is considered as a parent table now. Agreed?
Agree.
And my employee table is considered as child table. So let me copy this complete thing in your notepad so that it would be easy to you to understand. I'll mail you this notepad.
Okay.
Your notepad, right? This one. Actually, all these are database concepts. Okay.
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 Yes, I'm talking about yes. So my update statement will fail, right?
Right.
Likewise, if I perform an insert statement, so insert into employee, I am performing an insert statement with my employee and department tables. So here I am performing an insert particularly with employee table. You can see I am inserting some row, some employee number, some employee name, then salary, commission, then department number. Okay.
Okay.
I am giving the
Okay.
department number 50, which is not available in the department table, department number.
Oh.
So will this
Mm.
insert success?
No.
No, because it will show parent data not available, right?
Yes.
So it applies with insert as well as update also, right?
Yeah. Right.
Now I am performing a delete from department table. Delete from department table. That is,
Mm-hmm.
it will delete all the data present in the department table, right?
Right.
Right.
Now, if I perform that, my department table is a parent table, and
Yeah.
there are children existing for that department in my employee table, right?
Right.
In that case, if I try to delete the data from department table, will that query get executed? Delete from department.
Because it's the parent table, I
Yes,
think it can
yes,
be
it's a parent
deleted.
table. No, if you say that the data in the department table will not be deleted. Reason? There are children
Mm.
existing for those parents. When there are
Oh,
children
okay.
existing, you cannot delete the parent.
Okay.
Suppose you want to deliberately delete the parent even though the childs are existing, then
Okay.
use delete from department, and we'll be using cascade delete, on cascade delete. Okay.
Okay.
On cascade class we say in SQL it is available.
Yeah.
You can refer to
Mm.
that in SQL tutorials. I'm just giving you the
Yes.
concept. Okay. So delete
Yeah.
from
Yes.
department we will say cascade delete. Okay. So in case of
Okay.
cascade delete, even though the children are existing, the parent table data gets deleted. Got it?
Deleted.
Okay.
Oh,
Got it.
got it.
Same cascade is applicable to update also. So we
Oh,
the department number 80, when we are modifying to employee number 100, it failed. Reason is department number 80 is not available in department tables department number column. If
Yeah.
you want
okay.
to forcefully update, then cascade update.
All
Got
right.
it?
Got it.
All
So
right.
cascade, this is one of the important interview questions in SQL. And that is why I have explained you by example here. So there are chances you can expect this question as an interview question.
Okay.
So if you want to delete they may ask you first question like, were you able to delete the child data? That is when children are existing, were you able to delete the parent data? By
You say
default, no.
no. Mm.
If you want to forcefully delete, cascade delete. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Without cascade delete, I want to delete the parent data. Obviously, no. But you can do how? You can delete the children data first, then delete the parent data. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Right. So that's all about cascade. Okay.
Yeah.
And it is
Okay.
available for update as well as delete statements in SQL.
Okay.
I'm back. I'm back to my yes. So on delete, do you want to perform any action or cascade? Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Right. Then not null, of course, maybe true or false you can qualify with.
Mm.
And so property reference. So the what is it? The field name you can give here, property name. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Then update. So that can be updated or not. Okay.
Mm.
And the key
Okay.
column should mark as unique or not. So the thing is, one more thing I want to highlight here with the primary key foreign key relationships. So another thing I want to highlight. So let me go to notepad. So here you can see my employee table. Employee number is primary key and department number is foreign key. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this foreign key, which is referring to department tables department number column, should be either unique or primary keys. Got it?
Yeah. Got it.
So department number
Got it.
column in department table should be either primary key or at least
Or
it should
unique.
be unique.
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 If you don't mention as unique or at least primary key, then by default it allows nulls, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So this will not agree. Okay.
Okay.
So you need to mention unique and unique or primary key. Okay.
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 And that's also an important thing in SQL. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes. So those are various attributes with key tag. Then, so we will be addressing collections, indexed collections and non-indexed collections. Indexed collections examples are list and map. Non-indexed collections
Mhm.
example is set. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And yes, list and map requires an additional element index uh, in the tags. So you can see here index column. Can you see here? It's a list type of collection. So we will
Yes.
be having for a list type of collection the index an additional tag. Okay. If it is a
Okay.
set, we don't have this index column
Mm.
mapping. Okay. Because it's a
Okay.
non-index based collection set is it?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So here the collection elements. The collection elements can have value or entity reference. I told you value means the answer may be a string. Entity reference
Yes.
means the answer itself may be an object with answer ID, answer name, posted by attributes, properties.
Yes.
Got it? That's what.
Got it.
Got
Entity
it.
reference, another class object. So we
Okay.
can use one of these four elements. That is element, component element, one-to-many and many-to-many relationships. So these things, okay?
Mm. Okay.
So the element and component element are used for normal values such as string, integer, individual data types.
Yes.
Right? Whereas one-to-many and
Mm.
many-to-many are used for mapping entity references.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clear? Right.
Yes.
We'll address strings first, my list containing strings, then slowly my list containing objects.
Okay.
Right. So mapping list in collection. And in our persistent class, so it has a list object. Now we can map that list easily with a list tag, which we have just gone through the list tag, right? It will be
Yeah.
having key,
Right.
index, type, right?
Mhm.
Right.
Right, right. And so we are considering the scenario where the questions are posted and answers are given posted by some other users in a forum.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there is another important question. They may ask you, can you name some forums for Java related things? And if you are aware, can you name some forums? No idea?
Can
No.
you repeat the question?
Can you name some forums for Java related things?
Forum.
Forums.
No idea.
Okay, look there. I just tried searching for something. Okay, and you can see Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is one of the
Oh.
best forum.
Forum.
And
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's what you were talking about.
yes.
Okay. We know this
And
Stack Overflow.
yes, you know that, but you don't know that they are forums, right?
Yeah, we didn't know it's a forum.
Yes.
Yeah.
Java Code
Mm-hmm.
Geeks is also one. So you can see
Okay.
how to. Suppose if you want to post any query here, you can see this is the query, and you can see
Yeah.
16 answers. 16 answers, and
Yeah.
each answer may be submitted by some person, and you
Yes.
can see answered on August so and so time, and this is the user answered. Got it?
Okay.
Right.
Got it.
So this is what a forum. Stack Overflow is one of the best forums for Java.
Yeah.
Whatever the questions you post, you will definitely get an answer here.
Mhm.
Yes.
One more thing I want to highlight: you should be self-explorative in finding out a solution for a problem. You should learn how to find a solution on Google.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it? Anything
Got
Java
it.
related thing. Suppose if you encounter an exception, copy that exception, put it on Google, and try to go through the
Yeah.
various links that are available, read them, and try to fix them using those suggestions provided in the various forums. Got it?
Yeah. Got it.
Yes.
So please adopt the habit of exploring and finding a solution whenever you face a problem.
Yeah.
Right. And you can see here. So when comes to finding a solution for a problem statement, the thing is, I have a scenario. Is questioning easy or answering easy? Which one is easy? Tell me.
The question.
So asking a question is easy or giving an answer is easy?
Asking the question is easy.
Question is
Asking a question is easy.
yeah.
Never.
Yeah.
Asking a question is a tough thing. It's
It
really a
is.
tough thing.
The top.
Answering is easy. You will
Oh,
soon come to
really?
know by experience. Yes, you will soon come to know by experience. So once you are into your
Okay.
job, maybe you are working and something is annoying you. So it is showing some error message or exception. Got
Okay.
it?
Got it.
Now you need
Yeah.
to address that error or exception, whatever you are facing. Then you need to put the right question over there. Else
Oh, the right
you will never
keyword.
find an answer. Yes.
Yeah.
So putting a right question would be very tough to you, though Google is available. Got it?
That's for sure.
Got it.
That's why
Yeah.
I say questioning is tough compared to answering. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
It's like
Right. So here you can see Google search techniques. So you just open the link for finding out the search techniques on Google search engine. Okay?
Okay.
So it
okay.
use logical operators and or not plus minus symbols. Just open any link and try to go through these Google search techniques. Learn
Okay.
them how to use. Got it?
Got it.
Like I can search for movies acted by maybe uh, Arnold movies where who is that famous heroine? Salt movie is there, right? Who is that heroine?
Okay.
What?
Salt movie. Salt movie. Angelina Jolie. Right.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
I am talking about
Uh-huh. Search.
searching
Okay.
of searching of movies that are acted by Arnold, where Angelina Jolie is not available in those movies. Assume there
Oh,
are
okay.
movies acted by Arnold and Angelina Jolie.
Yeah.
Then you can search using like what is that? What is it? Arnold movies minus Angelina Jolie. Got it?
Yeah. Got it.
So minus
Okay.
operator will be removing the Angelina Jolie from the movies, and it will be showing the results only acted by Arnold.
Yeah.
Got it? I'm just
Okay.
giving you one technique. So if you read this,
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
you will get plenty of techniques here.
Yes.
Okay? Just
Okay.
go through
Okay.
and try to use them. You can see a plus operator. So it will help
Okay.
you a lot. Yes, that is to refine your search. The search engine techniques are helpful. Fine. Yes, I am
Okay.
back to my question. Okay, question answers. All right. So class. So let us create that persistent class. All those things one by one. Okay.
Yeah.
So I am creating a Java project, and let me close all these. New Java project. Demo 6. Finish. And configure the jars. So build path, add libraries, user
Yeah.
library, Then, so I need yes, Hibernate test client I need. So I'll copy this and along with the package. So I'll create a package first.
Yeah.
So package. Hibernate demos. And in my package,
Okay.
I'm copying the Hibernate test client.
Yes.
I pasted. Then I need Hibernate CFG and the mapping file. Copy. I'll rename that mapping file because we'll be using
Yeah.
question, right? So it would be something
Yes.
like question HBM XML file, right?
Right.
Okay.
Right. So here there are certain things which we don't need actually. So employee these things. Okay. Slowly we will fill all the data here. Okay.
Okay.
And I am creating a model class person. Person. Finish. And it has private person ID. Private
Okay.
string person name. So these two things. And I need setters and getters for this. And before that, I need to add to refer to a list collection. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. I say this string it is as of now. My answers are strings. And let me import this java.util list.
Okay.
And I say answers equals to new array list.
String.
And string. And let me import
Yes.
this array. Yes. Now I need generate setters and getters. Right. I'm done with my question. Now let's go to HPM XML file mapping. So let me rename to
Mm-hmm.
question.hbm XML file.
Yes.
Question. Done. And let me open this. And my Hibernate config file also. In my Hibernate config file, I need to refer to a resource that is question for mappings, right?
Okay.
Yes, I'm done. And I'll close it.
Yes.
And here we will be using the mappings for model class question. So it will be having class, and I don't need these joins of class. I am removing this. And
Okay.
package name would be the same package name with
Yeah.
Question.
the
Question.
model class. And
Yeah.
if you want, you can view the table. So as of now, I am not giving. Let us see the default. Then if you want, you can view the table name there. Okay.
Yeah.
And the name is nothing but question ID, right, for us?
Yes.
Question ID. And the generator class is increment. Okay. And the
Increment.
property
Yes.
we have question name,
Yeah.
right? And we
Right.
have another property. Yes. Any doubts? Did you say something?
Delhi.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you say
Answer
something?
with the elements.
Okay. Okay. All right. Now, it's the list is now containing strings. It is
Yes.
an element actually, right? So it's a list
Yeah.
which is elements, right? Element collection.
Right.
So
Yes.
my persistent class and my mapping. So in my map class open, close, you can see here list mapping. Okay. So list
Okay.
open close. So let me write this list.
Mm.
So list open close. My list name is answers, right?
Answer. Yes.
Answers. It's a plural I have given in my question model class.
Yeah.
Answers it's a list. Okay. It's a list.
Yes.
Then I'm going to question and we will address one by one. So here
Yeah.
we have key column, so which talks about the foreign key. Okay.
Yeah.
So I say
Okay.
and he has column and it is my question ID.
Can you
Okay.
speak louder, please?
Yes. Can you hear now?
Yeah.
Yes.
So list is having a key here which talks about the foreign key. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have index. We need to define an index because list is an index based collection, right?
Yes. Right.
And you can see here the list is giving an error, red color.
Mm.
It says
Because
that
you
the
didn't.
list is incomplete. It is incomplete. It is expecting
Yeah.
the mandatory tags to be inserted. Got it?
Got it.
So list is a tag and the key index which we are defining are subtags. You need to know
Okay.
the terminology also. Okay. So I say
Yeah.
Okay.
index. So in this index, so you can see index column
Column.
and I can give a name index column IDX.
Mm.
Okay. And
Yes.
then the element column we can give. So element column, so because it's a string, so I'm giving the element column. Yes, I'm defining. If it is an object, we will be giving one-to-one or the relationship, one-to-many, some kind of thing. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, it is one-to-many. One question may be having multiple answers. So one-to-many exactly if you say. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So element type.
Mm.
So I give the type and string. That is Oh, I have given
Element
column and type.
name.
So type is string, type is string, type is string. Data type. Element column
Name.
is answer.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
I'm done with my Hibernate mapping for list type of reference which is having string objects in it. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Does the key column have the same name as the ID?
It's our choice. It's our choice.
Okay.
But to make it meaningful, it is referring to question ID, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I gave the question ID.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Now let me go to Hibernate test client. And
Yes.
we need to save the object. So for this, I need to have a question object first. Before that, I need to have answers first, right? Answers. It's a list kind of answers, right?
Yes.
So I'll create answers here.
Question object.
Yes. Create answers. So answers are list of strings. So answer list, answers list equals to new answer. No, 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 it's a list actually, not a class. So I say list, which contains string.
Yes.
Right? And let me
Yeah,
import
right.
this java.util. And here it is array list.
Array list.
And which contains string.
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 Yes, I have done. And
Import array list.
import this java.util package. Into this answer list. So I say answer list 1, answer list 1, add. So I'm going to add a string here.
Yeah.
Yes. And answer list 1 it is. That's already. So
Answers.
Answers list. Okay, sorry. Yes. So here I am talking about the question, so that I will give the answers here. Question 1 equals to new question. Okay.
Yeah.
And to this
Yeah.
question 1 dot set question name. So
Yes.
my question is, so what is Java? So this is my question. Okay. And I have another question. Question 2. And what is C++? So these are 2 questions. And here, to answer that question, what is Java? I am writing Java is an open source programming language. Okay. And I have another answer, multiple answers. I can give, of course, because it's a list and I can add, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Right.
Java is an
object-oriented.
Yes, an object-oriented or platform-independent programming language.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Then I'll write another set of another list to answer My second
Question
question,
two.
what is C++? I say answer list
Mm.
2 and
2. Mm.
answer list 2. And I say here C++ is not
Okay.
an open source programming language. And C++ is a platform independent, of course.
Mm.
Is C++ platform independent? No, I think, right? No.
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 No. Yes. So I just added not over there. Okay.
Okay.
Now I will save these objects. Before saving, I need to question one. So question one, while questioning, I mean to say, let me cut this, put here, and while making the questions, I'll add that list. So it becomes valid here, writing this question one dot set answer list, right? Answer
Mhm.
Right.
list. So for my question one, it is answer list 1.
Okay.
And here for question 2,
Mm.
set answer list 2, because it's C++ related, right?
Right.
Yes.
Now I can save that question objects one by one. Question 1. Similarly,
Okay.
question 2. Oh, sorry, it did not copy. Question 2. Done. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
And these are not employees. In general, I say object save, some message, okay?
Yes.
I saved this and now I'm running. Yes, you can see here. Right. So select max of question ID from question. So question ID is
Yeah.
being generated by Hibernate. I gave
Yes.
generator class. And you can
Mm-hmm.
see some insertion is happening into my question table here.
Yes.
So question name and question ID being inserted. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then the insertion is happening into another table, question answers.
Yeah.
If you see, uh, my model class question has a list kind of reference, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So by default, a new table is generated. How? With
Oh.
a model class name question, then an underscore and the
Answers.
list reference name.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can see here the question ID here being the foreign key, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right.
Right.
And some index and an answer.
Mm-hmm.
And let us see the data present in it now.
Okay.
So let me open. So select star from question. Oh, it is yesterday I executed a few things and it is reflecting that also. So let me, uh, if I delete from question, I need to re-execute the,
Yeah.
yes, I'll re-execute this again, okay?
Right.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Now let me show you the data. select star from question. Oh, let me. So I need to commit over there. I'll say I'll drop the schema. Yes, I drop and I will reconnect. While
Okay.
reconnecting, it asks for password as well as default schema. Actually, this default schema I dropped. So it will ask, do you want to create a schema for this? Yes.
Mm.
Now I'll execute this. Okay. I'll execute this.
Okay.
Yes. Let me go for select star from question. Okay. Two questions are being inserted with question ID and question name. Okay.
Yeah.
And you
Okay.
can see question ID 1, what is Java, and question ID 2, what is C++. Now let me take this question answers. Okay.
Okay.
And you can see here, you can see for question ID 1, these are the answers.
Okay.
And for question 2, these are the answers. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
this question ID column, you said it should be the same. No. If you want, you can mention your own column name for this.
Yeah.
I mean
Yes.
to say in your question HBM XML. So I gave here question ID. You just mention ID, it works. Question
Yeah.
underscore ID, it works.
Okay.
It's not.
Got
Of
it.
course, it is referring to the column, but still the name is of your choice. Okay, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can see index column over there. So index column, what this index column talks about is, so here list is an index based collection, and in this the first entry and index begins
Yeah.
with 0, right, by default.
Yeah.
So you can see here, this is the first entry and this is the second entry, right, for that list.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yes.
0, 1. Same here also. Okay.
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 If you want, you can change that value also for index.
Yeah.
If you want, you can change the value, and you can give control space. E column. I have that somewhere. I have noted it. So I will talk about that in our next session. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And so, I'm done with my sample. So when my model class is having string objects, okay. Tomorrow we will
Okay.
refer to the model class having an entity reference. That is
All right.
answer object, answer
All right.
ID,
Yeah, an
answer
object.
name, posted by. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll email you this. Please practice. Okay.
Sure.
Yes.
Fine. See you tomorrow, same time.
Okay. Have a good day.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. I wish you the same.
Thanks.
Mhm. Okay.